Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm looking at a gun safe from BILLCONCH is the name of the manufacturer. And I've been in the market for a lot of different ones, and this one here I think will fit the bill. What I like about this one is that it has multiple security code access. I like the multiple numbers personally. You have different options instead of just 1 through 5. You have 1 through 10, basically zero. So you have that option to put any code you want in. Comes with the default code of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I believe, or 6, or whatever it is. Very simple to open it up. When you get this, when you first get this, you do get a nice set of security keys that come with it, and they are coded, which is really good. And where they are is located, and this box is pretty beefy. It's around 10 pounds. The lock is right here. So when you first get it, you do have to unlock it. That's the first thing you have to do. You put your key in, access it, open up the box, just like that. And when you open it, you have to put a rechargeable battery they give you. It goes inside here, which I already did install it. Goes in here. What's cool about this box is that they give you all the tools you need, which is I've never seen that before. They give you everything you need to manage it and install it. Extra screw, and in case you lose one, just a lot of good options with this thing. They give you a little screwdriver to actually put the battery in. So that's cool. This has an LED light inside here. Very easy to program, really super simple. You have an app to use it. You can use an app. Your fingerprint technology is really, really good on this one. Really, I've had some other ones, and this one is really, really good. You scan your finger 5 times, twice. It does it twice to confirm. And so far, every time I use it, it opens it up immediately. I have no issues whatsoever. So this is good. It's got 2 big lags right here that bolt the box closed. The construction is super thick and super heavy. So all in all, build is fantastic. The locks are metal. The whole everything is metal, 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 which is really nice, and high quality metal, not cheap metal. Again, put the keys away. You're not going to need the keys. That's just when you first get it. You install the battery. They give you the screwdriver. The battery is rechargeable. Show you that. Right here is a small USB cable right here, USB-C. They give you that as well to charge the battery. So, but when the battery is exhausted, you can change the battery. You'll get many, many years out of this battery. It'll last hours, days, and months and months and months. But when it's slow, you can back it up. But this here, or if it's dead, you can always unlock it with a key. So it has all those options available. Again, you can put your code in, very easy, or you can use your finger, which is like every time I use it, it opens it up every single time. I've never had it fail yet. And I've been playing with this for a few hours, and amazing, I have to say. Also, it does come with a the tether cable. Let me show you the tether cable. You can either bolt it down or tether it, and comes with a little screw and a nut inside here, inside the package, right here. You can screw it right in. There's a little bolt inside. You can screw it in, and also it comes with a little wrench, so you can actually adjust that. So you can actually install. So they give you all the tools, high quality security steel, just an overall really high quality box. This one here, I definitely like this one quite a bit. I definitely going to recommend this one. For the price point, it's a fantastic. The build is fantastic. It's heavy, it's big, it's beefy, and it definitely will do the job. I think you're going to be very satisfied with this. I'm very satisfied. Thanks for watching this review. Definitely, this is the way to go. Let me just show you the app real quick before we go. Let me just show you how that works. I was pretty impressed with the app as well. It found the box Wi-Fi, right? It uses Bluetooth. Unlock it. Just swipe it. Oh, there you go. Opens it right up. Well, that's cool, right? So someone says, listen, I gotta get into the box or something. Can you open it for me? Now you have remote access. You just take your finger, swipe it across, bingo, bango. There you go. Really super easy. Or you can use your finger every time. It works every time. I tell you, the technology, I find that always the square ones always work better than the round ones, personally. So that's my quick review. Definitely pick this one up. You won't be satisfied. Won't be disappointed. I promise you. Thanks for watching.